I no go blame you. Then get somebody. They call him Captain Smart. Captain Smart. Kwasia Krasini Aufru Kumasi. Kumasi Uba Accra. Who ye video? Utaula ese unkonti so bi owo woma. Captain Smart. Who ye video? Who dem Bob? Say red gold green radin kwa nenim. Tao da ukon Captain Smart. Ti so bi owo woma. Ti so bi a owo woma. Owo choba Captain Smart. And na ujina na who catch a youth ni say. They shouldn't go for demonstration. They shouldn't do this. They shouldn't do that. Now demonstration say. Kwasia Captain Smart. You are telling the youth not to go for NDC demonstration because of what? Abua Captain Smart. And maybe you Captain Smart. You are nothing but a fucking thief. Unu busia for. Unu mami. And a scam mba America, Europe. Mba ina you cut it choma undi musika. You Captain Smart. Uni trusty baby a wakwa siebiba. Accra na efu. Esa mu kwa siafo weni na uni and the dusty. Mu kwa siafo weni na esa ya pamu mu come back to Kumasi. Who kwa sia Captain Smart. Uni and the dusty. Accra na ede. Ena maba Accra. Captain Smart. Emribe etwe mu urefi. Unu mami. Ena mu scamming ba. Upomu. Na wa yusu mami yare. Uma. Mba iska na uyaji. Wajiji nkofoska. Abua. Nkofoska. Ena ujiji ye. Nkofoska. Ena ukwasi. Sia Captain Smart. Ujiji ye. Unu mami. Mu scamming ba. Uye ya kana na efu kwa siachi sebu ya jiwa di asi radio so. Uyiri nyem die. So a fly no. So a fly uyiri. Udi na ba brochi. Ombe uba na kwa ni ye citizen. Na ye koye demonstration with NDC to better the country. You are telling the youth not to go. Umami kem. Abue biba. Na Jimmy 40 out in Ghana. Ebe na Ghana because this is not about NDC yo. This is not about MPP. This is not about NDCO. This is not about MPP. This is demonstration for the country. Fuck NDC, fuck MPP. Fix the country for Musumba demonstration. The government deny you people. NDC for ever demonstration. I bet they've granted them the wish to do the demonstration. So at my say, fix the country for Musumba demonstration. They never allowed you people. But MPP, NDC first one by demonstration. They've allowed them to do demonstration. Ya allow them, grant them. I wanna be say Krono, Obi Watumi, Chen Obi. Go out there. Peaceful demonstration. Zongo people, we need to wake up. Munzama too much. We they put one eyeball, some Zongo leader. One is Baba Zongo. One is Zongo this. What did they do give you? What Zongo leader they do give you? Nothing. Anybody keke, he go wake up. He go chief imam there. Go take picture. Get hype. I dare you I see some picture they circulate. Some guy they call him a black Jesus, Ghana Jesus. He wear wig and things. Take go chief imam house. Go sit for chief imam in face. He take picture. Can't put for social media. He turn hype. The chief imam house no kundoki kunzama the she concert. Any politician he go wake up with his nonsense with his duru wanchi. Then they go take and go chief imam house. Any politician, any wawa, any fool where you go wake up, you don't know left and right. Then they go take and go chief imam house. They make that house no, the Islamic chief imam house no, like some junkie house, some concert, cantata house. And now call why the things they go there. But me, I know they blame the chief imam in some ways. You the people where you did there, where you they follow the chief imam, where they bring those people no, you people, Allah see muku. You where they use that chief imam, they bring that politicians people, they collect money. And then why you go wake up one can see chief imam, then they bring the person for chief imam in there. Will you where they follow that chief, where they the chief imam? Imam in house. Where you know how Ghanaians, the Zongo people are suffering. You people know the talk, give the Zongo, where they use in the name of that chief imam. They can use the name of chief imam, they collect money for politicians, they better yourself. When you know say no good in the Islam way, alle see them muku, the coup de yalan kuduka, the gidan kuduka, alle see them muku achiki kabarinku. Banzae, you people are very useless people. You people are very useless people. See how the Zongo people are suffering. When the politicians come, election time, you put on the feet, tell them, say, Meku kaima Zongo. What they go and give Zongo. When plans you get give Zongo. You come 4 years, we don't see anything you do give Zongo people. You know they talk. Tumbe kukawa kuke tunani. Only your stomach, you people they think of. Banza, manya banza, ale see them kwa achiki kabariku. See how Zongo they go. They kill people for Ejura. Zongo people for Ejura, then kill them. Nana Akufo-Addo, you know, Komo can't give speech. Bawumia them banza, stupid, useless vice president. You know, Komo can't give speech. Bawumia no talk. He wake up and say, Musuma, kuna read Quran, kun send Quran in now. You know what the Quran talk? You don't understand me? Bawumia, Ankasha Musulme, she Musulmani. We with the pride, Muslimi vice president. Then kill Muslim people. Bawumia dam banza, useless leader. Ale see them achiki kabarika. You don't talk anything, give Muslim people. You don't talk anything, give these Muslim people. Chief Imam, you there, then kill these Zongo people. You get committees. If you Chief Imam, you know if you read English, you know, you get house, you get people, they bring the people. They go feel right statement. Can't read from the house of Chief Imam to you, the Zongo people. Everybody keep quiet. Nobody talk anything. But Bawumia can call you Chief Imam. Then bring Chief Imam to Bawumia. You, the people where they follow the Chief Imam, you sit down, watch. Bawumia can't take Chief Imam. Put down for helicopter inside. Fly Chief Imam to Ejura. Go give the people where they kill them a family 20,000 and a bag of cement. Duri manku. Duri manku. Kumale see the muku. May God punish you people in your generation to come. Kunja kundoki Chief Imam. You go carry Chief Imam. You go carry Chief Imam. Put for helicopter inside. Take go Zongo. In the Abin as of Chief Imam, you have to have a magana. He gives speech. He said condolence to those people who then killed them a family. Then go carry Chief Imam, put for helicopter, take him go give the people 20,000 and a bag of cement. What a bag of cement go do to life where they lost? What a bag of cement go do to a life where they lost? Where you people go there, they go say, don't blame Chief Imam. Don't blame Chief Imam. Blame the people where they follow Chief Imam. Chief Imam is not a small boy. Chief Imam is an old man. He's a grown-ass man. As the Bawumia then people come, no, if Chief Imam no they won't go, he get the right to tell Bawumia, say, you know, go. Bawumia make my Zongo. What you do give Zongo people. But something happen with Zongo, that was could okay, didn't settle. Cement bag, what you go do? You go bring the dead body. Police people sang go shoot, kill 2 people, then cut 1 person in leg. But Ghana hospital self, the doctors and the nurses were in the hospital, no, there be some useless people I never see before. Ghana, you get motor accident, they go cut your leg. Then shoot somebody. You go cut the people's leg. You the doctors where you did all you know be to cut people's leg. And then kaka for motor. Useless doctors. Kwasiafo. Police shoot somebody in leg. Police shoot somebody in leg. When they bring them for hospital. When you put chop in leg. Ghana doctors, dentists, you know your job. Come America. Come Europe. Come. You know how many people they shoot them? Then take bullet from their leg. They don't chop them a leg.